Have you ever dreamt of being your own boss? Do you love the idea of selling unique products without managing inventory? That's the magic of print on demand. It's a business model that's transforming how creatives, entrepreneurs, and everyday people can build successful businesses. The best part? You don't need a warehouse full of products or a huge upfront investment to get started. With print on demand, you can design and sell anything from t-shirts and hoodies to mugs, phone cases, and even wall art. The possibilities are endless. Plus, you have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world and set your own hours. It's all about bringing your creative vision to life and sharing it with the world. Print on demand, or POD, is a simple but ingenious business model. Here's how it works. You create a design, list a product featuring your design on your online store, and when a customer orders that product, a print-on-demand company handles the rest. They print, package, and ship the product directly to your customer under your brand. You never have to touch any inventory. This means you can focus on what you do best, designing amazing products and marketing your business. It's a low-risk way to test different product ideas and see what resonates with your audience. And as your business grows, you can easily scale your operations without worrying about the logistics of production and fulfillment. Ready to dive in? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of designs do you love to create? Finding your niche will help you target the right audience and stand out from the competition. 2. Create eye-catching designs. Your designs are the heart of your print-on-demand business. Experiment with different styles, colors, and typography to create designs that are unique and appealing. 3. Select your platform. You'll need an online store to showcase and sell your products. Popular platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up shop and start selling online. 4. Integrate with a print-on-demand service. Choose a reliable print-on-demand partner like Printful, Printify, or Teespring. These companies offer a wide range of products and handle all the printing, shipping, and customer service for you. 5. Set up your online store. Customize your store's design, create product listings, set prices, and configure shipping options. Make sure your store is user-friendly and visually appealing to attract customers. Now that your store is live, it's time to get the word out. Here are a few tips for marketing your print-on-demand business. 1. Harness the power of social media. Share eye-catching photos of your products on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Engage with your followers and run targeted ads to reach new customers. 2. Build an email list. Offer a discount code or freebie in exchange for email signups. This will allow you to stay in touch with potential customers and promote new products and sales. 3. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche to promote your products to their audience. This can be a great way to increase brand awareness and drive traffic to your store. 4. Provide excellent customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Go the extra mile to resolve any issues and ensure customer satisfaction. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your products to others. Starting a print-on-demand business is an exciting journey. Embrace your creativity, stay persistent, and don't be afraid to experiment. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for design into a thriving online business.